In the grand architecture of human society, the archetypes of leader, orchestrator, and magician stand as pillars of wisdom, each embodying a unique facet of this profound trait. They are the navigators of our collective journey, their insights steering us towards greater knowledge and understanding. Driven by an insatiable need to know, they seek not just information, but the deeper truths that lie beneath the surface. Their essence is a wellspring of informed knowledge, guiding their actions and decisions with clarity and foresight. Professionally, the leader emerges as a beacon of inspiration and strategic vision. CEOs, strategists, and directors use their wisdom to instill confidence and clarity, uniting people towards common goals. School teachers and lecturers impart knowledge that empowers and enlightens, nurturing the next generation of thinkers and innovators. Great leaders inspire others to step into their power, their foresight building a foundation of trust and collective purpose. Socially, the orchestrator plays a crucial role in harmonizing efforts and talents. Conductors, planners, and project managers see the strengths in others and bring them together to create something greater than the sum of its parts. Data analysts and IT specialists use their perceptiveness to unravel complex problems, ensuring efficiency and joy in collaborative engagements. The orchestrator's wisdom lies in recognizing potential and fostering environments where collective gain is achieved through unity and collaboration. Spiritually, the magician transcends the ordinary, making the impossible possible. Doctors, vets, and creatives navigate the limitless potential of life. Their discernment turning visions into reality. They perceive patterns in the universe, both seen and unseen, and use this understanding to bring about profound changes. Through their creativity and initiative, magicians transform lives, seeing the extraordinary in the everyday and guiding others to do the same. Yet, the path of wisdom is not without its shadows. When under-evolved, judgment entwines with discernment, leaking into expression and diminishing the inspiration of those who follow. Limited perspectives can cause missed opportunities, with potential pathways obscured by a lack of space and time for reflection. Conversely, when over-utilized, the sheer array of choices can become paralyzing, creating complexity that hinders purposeful action. The know-it-all attitude may alienate others, failing to garner the trust and perspective needed for true leadership. In their thriving state, these archetypes exemplify the true power of wisdom. Leaders, orchestrators, and magicians see the multiplicity of choices and invite collaboration, discerning a united vision that paves the way forward. They simplify the complex into tangible steps, guiding their teams to success with strategic foresight and informed action. Their thriving state sees all potential, seeding and guiding individuals to understand and activate their unique contributions, creating a tapestry of interconnected strengths and wisdom. As the fabric of humanity continues to weave its intricate patterns, the contributions of the leader, orchestrator, and magician remind us that wisdom is not just about knowing, but about understanding, leading, and inspiring. Through their guidance, we learn to navigate the complexities of life with creativity, curiosity, and vision, forging a future illuminated by the light of informed knowledge and strategic foresight.